Here's the 2024 Beats Pill Bluetooth speaker. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these. Now, in order to factory reset these, you have to hold down the power button and the volume down together. Okay, it doesn't matter if the speakers are on or off. Let me just turn it on. Again, it doesn't matter if it's on or off. Okay, so what we're going to do is hold the power button and the volume down. Just press and hold and just keep holding until you see a blue flashing LED here. Okay, so power button and volume down. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Just keep holding. You want to hold for maybe 13 seconds or so. Just wait until we see a blue flashing light. Still holding both buttons. There it is. Now let go. Now you just reset it, okay? And now once it turns back on, it should automatically be in pairing mode, which is indicated by a rapid white light blinking, okay? Now just one thing really quickly, we just factory reset these, okay? But before I did a factory reset, I was connected to my iPhone here, okay? So if I wanted to reconnect to my iPhone, I had Beats Pill on here, okay? It's not gonna show up down here because I have to first delete the previous paired Beats Pill, okay? This is an iPhone here, tap on the I and forget device, oops. And forget device. If you're on an Android phone, then you would just click unpair. So I'm gonna forget device. And now I would just turn this Bluetooth off and then turn it back on, and it's still in pairing mode. It's still blinking white. Now I'm gonna go down and I should find it. Now there's the Beats Pill, and now I'm able to reconnect back to my phone. Pretty simple.